So good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. Lee Reacts, alive and well. We're going to talk about Jose Mourinho. Oh, it's all Jose's fault. Where's the matter with these people? We'll come into that in a minute. But make sure you are smashing the like button. Big up to everybody sub to the channel. I really appreciate it. Come on, nearly 11K. Let's get that boxed off as quick as possible. Also, make sure you go and check out the videos on the main channel. And follow the Instagram, LeeGunner82. But I have seen an awful lot of people sitting on social media crying about Anthony Taylor at Budapest Airport, getting abused, getting attacked. Last time I checked, not one single person put a hand on him. It was just verbal abuse, which, listen, they can all sit there and say, oh, it's so toxic. Oh, it's so bad. He had his daughter and his wife with him. It's so disgusting. These are the same people that sit and chat rubbish on the internet to other people. What's the difference? You're doing it behind the screen. They're doing it face to face. It's not right either way, no? Oh, no, because it's Jose Mourinho's fault. Jose's fault. Okay. How's it Jose Mourinho's fault? That makes no sense to me. That's like somebody committing a crime because he heard somebody on TV say that they had committed the crime. So they thought, oh, okay, I'll do it. So now the second person who's committed the crime, it's not his fault. It's the person who initiated. What is going on here, mate? Yeah, these people are tapped weirdos. Charles Watts, wrong'un. 500,000 followers that clown's got on Twitter. 500,000. And he's tweeting out absolute garbage. In fact, let me read the tweet out. Let me read this out. This is outstanding. This is astonishing. I'm actually flabbergasted. Listen to this. Those scenes with Anthony Taylor and his family at Budapest Airport are so horrible. All fueled by one man. Books should be thrown at Mourinho by the authorities. Maybe throw your Arteta book at him, you melt. How about that? Then this goes back to March this year. Truly staggering that Lukic did not get a second yellow card for that foul on Wissa. You won't see a clearer yellow card all season. Dreadful from Anthony Taylor. You go back to another one of his tweets in April 19. That's one of the best performances of the season, in my opinion. Totally professional at both ends of the pitch. Ozil and Ramsey were superb. Lacazette led the line magnificently, and the defence were pretty much rock solid. Anthony Taylor, meanwhile, utterly pitiful. So, is Jose only reacting off of your tweets then, mate? Yeah, Daily Star. Back on the 19th of February 2022, Premier League referee revealed as the most hated official in the world. A study into the abuse directed at referees online has revealed Premier League officials are the most trolled in the world, with Anthony Taylor targeted more than any other referee. So what this is basically telling me then is Jose is just holding him accountable. You lot are all tweeting about it, crying about it, saying it online. Oh my God, that ref's disgusting. He's so shocking. The difference is Jose Mourinho has gone and fronted the ref to tell him he's crap. What are you lot doing? You're sitting online crying about all these people at the airport. Get a backbone, you melts. Yeah, absolute wrong-uns. Yeah, all of these people that are sitting there blaming Jose Mourinho for the actions of other adults. You lot are tapped. You're actually tapped. Let that sink in. A referee puts up a poor performance in a final, ultimately doesn't give a penalty when it was handball. Jose goes and calls him out after the game, finds him, somebody films it, uploads it, and now hundreds and thousands of Roma fans are now shouting abuse at him as he's walking through the airport. How's that Jose's fault? How many times Arteta called a referee out this season? How many times did Fergie used to call the referees out? Fergie, I think after a game against Bolton, fronted Mark Clattenburg, literally went up to him and started kicking off on him. What's the difference? Oh, of course, it's Jose Mourinho, and you don't like him because he always beats Arsenal. That's it. That's it. Yes, that's it. Respect, respect, respect. So these little butthurt weirdos, these inverted wrong-uns, yeah, all crying because they don't like Jose. So now the actions of Roma fans is now Jose's fault because they don't like Jose. How about get out, mate? Get out your mum's bedroom, like box room. Get out the bedroom, go outside, breathe fresh air. Well, actually, if you live in England, it's probably not fresh air. But go outside and actually do something productive rather than sitting online crying about a manager initiating a load of abuse on a referee. Yeah, it's kind of funny though, because it's almost like do a bad job, get held accountable. Something that Arsenal fans don't have. Yeah, but it's crazy. I find it hilarious. Yeah, because it's only English football fans, or the clubs of English football. Let me get my words out properly. It's only English supported teams, fans, that have this spineless mentality. Every other country around the world hold players, managers, staff, referees, linesmen, lineswomen, linesperson, whatever you want to, lines unicorn, hold them accountable. And let's not let's whisper it quietly. Let's whisper it quietly. Go and Google Napoli players kidnap. Yeah, just go and do that. Yeah. And you want to cry about a load of people at an airport screaming abuse at a dodgy referee. What's the issue here? They felt like they'd been robbed of the game because of the refereeing decisions. They vented their anger. They didn't put any hands on him as far as I see. They didn't touch his daughter or his wife. What's the issue here? What's the issue here? I don't see why they're all crying. Yeah, go and also type in, yeah. Sporting Lisbon fans training. Yeah. There's loads. These clubs around the world get held accountable by their fans because their fans ain't spineless. Their fans ain't sitting online crying. Yeah. Have the top Fedians, which is the nickname for Roma, devotee, have the top devotees taken to Twitter to condemn the actions of their ultras, who are notorious, by the way, in Italy as being one of the, if not the most ruthless sets of ultras on the planet. But what do I know? So you're condoning it, are you, Lee? Well, number one, from the videos I've seen, nobody's laid a hand on him. Nobody's swung a punch at him. If anything, somebody with Anthony Taylor tried punching somebody that was shouting abuse at him. It's all about. Oh, yeah, but Lee, they're throwing chairs. You soft bunch of weirdos. Get a life, mate. Get a life. I'm genuinely baffled as to how some of these people make it through a day. They're so hurt by everything. They're so soft. You got them out here doing TikTok videos. Oh, it's fueled by one man. You absolute melt. Charles Watts. Oh my God, throw the book at him. Throw the Arteta book at him because it's trash, mate. It's trash. Charging 20 nudge for an Arteta book, you weirdo. You absolute melt. Yeah, probably got posters on the ceiling of Mikel Arteta. Div. Absolute soft weirdos, man. Absolutely soft. The fact and reality is nobody punched him. Nobody touched him. Nobody touched his wife. Nobody touched his child. Oh, but words. Oh, they were screaming abuse at him. Oh. What, you're telling me you've never screamed abuse at a ref in the football stadium? So what's the difference? Oh, because it's not 60,000 people doing it. Referees are wanker, referee, wanker. Yeah, what about when you're singing about Pochettino's mum? Or any Tottenham manager's mum? We all know the song for that one. Is that all right? Is that all good? What's their mum got to do with a football match? But that's all right. Yeah? Happens all the time. All these chants going around the stadium, some of them are mad. Yeah, but what's the difference in doing it in an airport when he's in front of you? Literally in front of you. What's the difference? Oh, yeah, but Lee, his daughter looked terrified. Well, he shouldn't have took his daughter to the fucking game then, should he? Come on. You go in there. You've got a load of Italians, yeah, under Jose Mourinho's, like, fucking, he's managing the team, yeah? And then you're going up against a load of Spanish, yeah? Come on, man. Why would you take, and it's clear that he weren't staying for a holiday. So why would you take your daughter to work? Would you take your daughter to work? Was it take your daughter to work day? No, it was a Europa League final. Why are you taking your daughter to work? What's going on here? Anyway, I'm moving on. I've had enough. Leave your comments down below. It's not Jose Mourinho's fault. At the end of the day, if you want to vent your anger at a referee, vent your anger at a referee. As long as you're not touching him and laying physical abuse on the geezer, what's the issue? I don't see what the issue is here. But again, like I said, a lot of football fans that support English clubs are spineless. They all want accountability for poor refereeing. Then when Roma fans give accountability, oh, it's so toxic. Yeah, you melts. Get in the bin. Anyway, I'm going to record some videos on the other channel. Make sure you check out the other channel. We'll have some videos out on there today. And yeah, man, have a blessed day. Mash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Leave your thoughts on Jose. Leave your thoughts on these tapped fans. that are crying about it. Leave your thoughts on Anthony Taylor as a referee. Now, obviously, Arsenal fans should like him, which is why they're backing him. Yeah, they don't like Jose, and they like this referee because he won us 2 FA Cup finals with, again, some dodgy refereeing. But there we go. What do we know? Yeah, this is why they're so up him. Anyway, have a wonderful day. Ciao. Adios.